Welcome once again to iTech, and today's video I'm going to show you guys the various ways that you can monetize your Facebook page. There are different ways that you can monetize your Facebook page. Okay, so I'm going to take you through all the various ways by which you can monetize your Facebook page in order to make money online. So first of all, just open your Facebook and then you go to your page. You see dashboard here. You can decide to click here and it will take you to the professional dashboard. Okay, or now on your page, when you open your Facebook and then when you switch to your page, you see this three bars here. You can also click on these three bars and it will also take you to your professional dashboard. So you just scroll down and you will see monetization. Okay, so you just have to hit on monetization and then it will take you to here, not yet eligible. So as you grow your audience, you unlock more ways to make money. So this is how it is. So these are the different ways you can make money on Facebook through your pages. We have here to be ads on Reels. Okay, so you can also monetize your Facebook through this. We have bonus. They have live videos, live ads, sorry, and then we have the in-stream ads, and then we have the subscription. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ways by which you can monetize your Facebook page. Each of these different ways of monetizing has its own requirement that you need to follow. So for you to check the requirement, you just click here, okay, this arrow, and then it will show you all the requirements that you need to meet. So as you can see, ads on Reels. So for you to monetize your Reels, you need to keep on Reels front and center. Okay, so you just have to be eligible. Okay, so eligible criteria, you have to meet the eligible criteria before you can monetize your Facebook with ads. And then we have the bonus. Okay, so how are you going to monetize your Facebook page with bonus? So start making money with what? Bonuses. Okay, now let's move on. Now simplifying your income. So by joining a bonus program, you can increase your earning by making engaging content. Okay, so this is bonus. So you earn on your terms, get simple and easy access. So we have the eligibility, and this is, so if you are recently meet all the criteria, please allow. So if you meet the criteria within 2 days, you can join the bonus. So bonus program are currently only available by hot invitation. So for you to be enjoying monetization by using the bonus, the Facebook will invite you to join. So that is one thing that you need to do. And then we have the live ads too. Now when you open it, these are the live ads is also about. So you create your video, get paid. So eligibility criteria, so these are the eligible criteria that you need to follow with the live ads. You should meet the Facebook monetization policy, and then you need followers, 10,000 followers. Okay, so you need to get 10,000 followers, and then you need to get your eligible videos include on demand, live, and previously live have been viewed at 600,000 minutes. So we need 600,000 minutes in the last 60 days. Okay, and then here too, at least 60,000 of those minutes are from live. So we need to get 60,000 of those 600,000 minutes from live videos, and then you have to share at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days. Okay, and then at last 3 videos were previously in the last 30 days. So these are some of the requirements that you need to also meet before you can monetize your Facebook with the in-stream ads, with the live ads. Sorry. Now let's move on to the in-stream ads. Okay, so if you are enjoying the video, please do well to subscribe and like the video. Let's continue. So with the in-stream ads, so eligibility criteria, as you can see, we have 5 criteria and then have been able to meet 3 of them, so I'm left with 2. But as you can see, you reside in an eligible country is not marked. I'm in Ghana, and Ghana is not an eligible country. So if you're in an eligible country, this thing will also be marked. So with the in-stream ads, you need 5,000 followers, and as you can see, I have 7,218 followers. And then the content criteria, you need to get 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. That is 60,000 minutes, and then you have to have at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days. So when you meet this thing, you can also monetize your Facebook page with the in-stream ads. Now let's move on to the last one, which is the subscription. Now with the subscription, still you need to meet all these criteria. So eligibility criteria, you need to meet this. So audience criteria, your profile must has at least 10,000 followers, or your profile has at least 250 weekly return viewers. So either you meet this or you meet this requirement. And then the other one, to engagement criteria, your posts have at least 5,000 engagement. You need to have 5,000 engagement, and then your posts have at least 180,000 minutes viewed. So either you meet this one or you meet this. And then with the audience criteria, we have 2 options here. You can meet any one of these and you'll be able to also monetize your Facebook with the subscription. So guys, these are the 5 ways you can monetize your Facebook page. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye.